Good morning. Happy holiday. It's a Sunday. We'll close tomorrow on Monday. Now, moving through September and October, I will give you a warning. You better stay glued to every one of my updates on the indexes. I said that in the video. I was a little bit early. What I am saying is you can make another high, but after that, forget about it. It's done. It's toasted. I know it. 100%. Now, over the next 60 days, you're going to watch carefully. There's going to be a ton of money made when there is a reversal. I suggest that you sign up for the free 5-day trial. That's number one. Number two, I would stop watching all of these unexperienced YouTubers and making bad decisions off of them. Now, whether you sign up here or not, I could care less. What I do care about is you don't lose your money. And if you don't want to pay attention and you want to stay in denial on what is coming, yeah, you'll come back here, all right? Oh, I should have listened to him. That's always the case. Always. So, you have a chance in the month of September and October. When these things correct and you don't have stop losses and you're not out, I guarantee you get to pay the price. Maybe that's what it takes for you to wake up.